Hi guys, let me show you how to season your oxtail before cooking. So here I have my oxtail already cleaned and washed nicely, and I also went ahead and removed the excess fat. And I love me some good curry oxtail. However, if you want to cook the brown stew oxtail, you can always go ahead and do so. I'll also show you guys how to season it. So I'm gonna go in and add some powdered seasoning. Once I add the powdered seasoning, I will also go in and add some curry powder, and of course I'm gonna add my blended green seasoning. And I do have a video on my channel with the blended green seasoning. You can always go ahead and check that out. I'm using the Better Pack curry today. I also mix it with the Indian curry, and you guys can use any brand of curry that you want to use. Just be creative and remember to be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. Now I'm just gonna go in and just mix up everything together nicely, and trust me, it was just flavorful and I could not wait to cook it the next day. So once everything is nicely combined, you want to make sure that all of the meat, the seasoning touch all of the meat, because of course you want it to soak nicely, because we're gonna have this for Sunday dinner. So in a few, I'm going to show you guys up close what it looks like. And yes, we're going to go ahead and cover it with a piece of foil paper, or you can just, add it to a cover dish and store it until you're ready to cook it. And can you tell I was so excited, because I'm like, this is my favorite. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how to season the brown stew oxtail, so stay tuned for all of that goodness. And yes, the trick to a good curry oxtail and brown stew oxtail, the green seasoning. Yes, the blended green seasoning is absolutely everything. I love it, and I cannot cook my oxtail without that green seasoning. All right, so like I said, I'm just gonna cover it now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just place it in the fridge until the next day. I'm gonna cook it, and I will also come back and show you guys how to cook it as well. So stay tuned for all of that goodness. So this is what it looks like. See you tomorrow.